Ralph here once again, and what I did is I combined Pythagorean numerology with harmonographs, which is kind of cool and fun. All right, so this should generate, each person should have their own unique harmonograph the way I did the math in the code. I used my limited skills, so I'm sure you guys can clean it up. But here's the code. I'll post it on YouTube. There's no angle bracket, so it's easy to post. All right, so let's run down the birth number, for example, generates the color, and the name is traditional numerology. Again, using Pythagorean numerology. Here's some examples as I run down the list here. And I'm going to speed through so we can try one just for fun. I did not restrict the code to limit the number of integers. So I'm going to say an example like that. Or did I restrict the code, limit the strings? As long as you have no space in the string and put your name in, you should be fine. Here's a random example. And what do we get? Perfect harmonograph. Ralph Turchiano signing off once again. Hope you enjoy. Be on YouTube and look forward to see you all later on. Catch you in a bit. Bye.